Good morning everyone. Today we are starting curves. So what is curve? Curve is you can draw some of this drawing that is given here, these drawings, without lifting the pencil from the paper and without use of ruler. These all are curves. So if we can draw some kind of drawings without lifting the pencil from the paper and without using the ruler also, then these all are curves. Now among the given diagrams, some are simple curves and some are not simple curves. If a curve does not cross itself, then it is called a simple curve. Here this diagram 1, diagram 2, diagram 5 and diagram 6, they do not cross itself. So these are simple curve. Which are not simple curve here? This diagram 3 and diagram 7 are not simple curve because they cross itself. So these are not simple curve. Now we have some open curve and some closed curves. So the curves which are open, that are called open curves, and the curves which are not open, that are called closed curve. So here this is an open curve and this is a closed curve. The next one is polygon. What is polygons? Polygon means a closed figure made up of line segments are called polygons. So to draw a closed figure using only line segments, we need at least 3 line segments. So polygon means a closed curve. See, this is closed. A closed curve made up of line segments is called polygon. Now sides, vertices and diagonals. What is sides? The line segments forming a polygon are called sides. So suppose if we consider a triangle A, B, C, so AB, BC and CA are sides of the polygon, that means sides of the triangle. So these are called sides. Vertices are what? These points, point A, point B and point C are vertices, and the singular form of vertices is vertex. Vertex means what? The meeting point of a pair of sides. So the point A is the meeting point of the sides AB and AC. Point B is the meeting point of the side BA and BC. Point C is the meeting point of the side AC and CB. Next one is adjacent sides. So if we consider, suppose this diagram, this is a pentagon, that means it is a polygon made up of 5 line segments, that is called pentagon. So any two sides with common end point are called adjacent side. So here if we consider DC and CB, they both have common end point. What is the common end point? Point C. So these are adjacent side. We can say DC and DE are also adjacent side because for these two the common end point is point D. Now the next one is adjacent vertices. The endpoints of the same side of a polygon are called adjacent vertices. So if we consider a side, suppose DC, then vertices D and C are adjacent vertices. The points C and B are adjacent vertices because C and B are the endpoints of the side CB. Now diagonals are what? If we joined the non-adjacent vertices, then we will get diagonals. So here if we join EC, these are not adjacent, so if we join E and C, we will get a diagonal. If we join DA, not adjacent vertices, so we will get a diagonal. BD diagonal, AC diagonal, EB diagonal. So exercise 4.2, classify the following curves open or closed. Now this is an open curve, this is a closed curve, this is an open curve, this is a closed curve, and this is a closed curve. The curves which are open are called open curves. So this is an open curve, this is an open curve, and the curve which are closed, that are closed curve. So this is closed, this is closed, this is closed. Question number 2, draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following: open curve, closed curve. So to draw an open curve, we can draw any curve. So I am drawing like this, this is an open curve. For closed curve, we can just close the curve. So this is a closed curve. I am drawing on the screen, so the diagrams may not be perfect. You draw on the copy using ruler and pencil. Don't use pen. Question number 3, draw any polygon and shade its interior. So I am drawing the polygon. Suppose I am drawing a 3-sided polygon which is a triangle. Shade the interior means you have to shade the interior. Interior means the inside region of the polygon. Question number 4, consider the given figure and answer the question. So is it a curve? Is it closed? So yes, it is a curve, and yes, it is closed. Question number 5 is, illustrate if possible each one of the following with rough diagram. So question number A closed curve, that is not polygon. So whenever it is not polygon, then you can include the curved lines. Whenever it is polygon, polygon is made up of only line segment, not curved lines. Polygons will have only line segments. So a closed curve that is not polygon, we can draw like this. So here this is a line segment, this is a line segment, this is a line segment, but this is not a line segment. This is a curved line. So it is a closed curve, but it is not polygon because of this curved line. Question number B, an open curve made up entirely line segment. Open curve made up entirely line segment, we can draw in this way. These 3 line segments are there, and it is not open, it is not closed, it is an open curve. Question number C, a polygon with 2 sides. What we know? We know polygon is a closed curve made up of line segment. If we take 2 sides, we cannot close the curve. It will be open. Since it will be opened, then it cannot be a polygon. So it is not possible for us to draw a polygon with 2 sides. Angles we can make by using 2 rays, and the 2 rays will have a common initial point. So suppose if we draw a ray, suppose ray AB, and if we draw another ray, suppose AC, then these 2 rays have a common initial point, ray AC and ray AB, the common initial point is A. So, here we can make an angle like this. So, this is the angle. We can represent the angle by this angle A, or we can write it as angle CAB, or we can write it as BAC. The vertex, the angle will be in the middle. CAB, A is on the middle, and BAC, A is on the middle, and alone only we can write A, angle A. Now, this ray AC and ray AB are called arms or sides of the angle. The common initial point is the vertex of the angle. So, here common initial point is A, and A is the vertex of the angle. Exercise 4.3, question number 1 is name the angles in the given figure. So, here the angles will be angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. These are 4 angles in the given figure. Angle A can be written as angle DAB, or we can write BAD. Angle B can be written as angle ABC, or angle CBA. Angle C can be written as angle BCD, angle DCB. Angle D can be written as angle ADC, or angle CDA. Each angle can be written in these 3 ways. So, it's your choice how we will write the angles. Question number 2, in the given diagram, name the points. Question number A, in the interior of DOE. DOE means interior of this part. So, the points which are in the interior of DOE will be only point A. The other points, point B, E, D, are on the arms of the angle, not in the interior. So, the only answer will be point A. Question number B, the exterior of EOF. EOF means this part. So, in the exterior of EOF, the points will be point C, point A, and point D. So, the answer will be A, C, and D. Question number C, on EOF. On EOF, the points will be what? EOF means on EOF the points will be E, B, O, F. These are 4 points on angle EOF.